was wondering what actually constitutes drunk driving, the legal limit, and if the police are required to arrest someone who is at that moment.
All right, thank you for the call. Good question. Sometimes we just assume that everybody may know what it is. Can you expound a little bit on that?
In Alabama, there's actually 5 different ways you can be charged with a DUI. 1, having an alcohol level of 0.08 or above. 2, being what's called under the influence of alcohol. 3, being under the influence of a controlled substance such as marijuana, cocaine, pills, things of that nature. 4, a combination of alcohol and a controlled substance. And you can actually be charged with a DUI for being under the influence of what they call any other substance, which can be things such as gasoline, people that huff that, paint, solvents, things like that. So there's a lot of different ways you can get charged with a DUI in our state.
Whitney, is there kind of a rule of thumb that either you as a practitioner or just people in general can follow in terms of how many drinks get you to a certain level? I know it depends on how much you weigh, whether you've eaten before, how long it's been, and what you're drinking. But is there a rule of thumb that you can kind of offer our audience?
Generally, about 1 drink will raise your blood alcohol level around 0.02 per hour, but you also eliminate about 1 drink an hour. So that's a pretty good rule of thumb to keep in mind.
Okay.